to Hawksome. If you...
Well, welcome. You've made it to the end of April. It's time for our end-of-month assembly. As we always do, we're going to start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. So please rise, remove any headgear, and repeat the pledge with Mr. Cobb. Here we go. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You can be seated. So now it's time for our Golden Awards. This month we're going to start off with the Golden Broom. And the Golden Broom goes to the person that's keeping the school the cleanest. And without all you kids here, that's Mr. Daniels. Thank you, Mr. Daniels. Our second award is the Golden Ladle. And normally this goes to the class that's the quietest in the lunch line. They've all been very quiet lately. So today, the Golden Ladle is going to the kitchen staff and to the paras who are working tirelessly curbside, handing out food bags every day during the week. So thank you, paras, and thank you, lunchroom staff. Our third award today is the Golden Umbrella. You'll recall that one usually goes to the class that's doing the best during rainy day recess, behaving well when they're indoors. And this month, well, the only one who's been playing well indoors is Garbanzo. Okay, our fourth award today is the Golden Bell. And as Mr. Pringle likes to remind us, the Golden Bell is one of the most important awards because, well, if you're not at school, it's a lot harder to learn, as a lot of us are discovering when we're at home. But remember, the reason we come to school and the reason we're doing schooling at home is to... Oh, I didn't hear you. It's not to eat. It's to... That's right. It's to learn. So, who has been at school this whole time while we've been learning from home? Mr. Pringle. Thank you, Mr. Pringle, for all your hard work. And our last award, as we always do, is the Golden Laurel. That's a competition that we have between teachers. Well, this month, with all the teachers teaching from their homes, I guess there's no one else to win it this month except the specialist! Congratulations!
Yeah.
So here we go. Here you go. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yay, us. We rock.
Airboat.
Airball.
Yeah. Well, now that you did the Golden Awards, why don't we have some Hawk Hero drawings?
Let's do it.
Okay, all right. It's time for us to draw some Hawk Hero slips.
Let's do it.
I have the bucket for the big kids.
And I've got the little kids.
And Mr. Cobb, this month, what are the prizes?
Well, let me tell you, boys and girls, the prizes this month, boy, are you in store for a treat. This month, they're giving away a bicycle. Yes! And also, for the first time ever, $2,000. A check for $2,000. It's crazy. And the third prize is a home entertainment center complete with video games, DVD, DVR, and everything else with cords and electronics that you can think of delivered to your home and installed.
Whoa,
Amazing.
those are amazing prizes. All right.
Let's do it.
Okay, shall I draw first?
Wait a minute. Oh,
Oh. We don't have any Hawk Hero slips. How'd that happen?
Well, bummer. I guess tough month to miss.
Can't draw for prizes if we don't have any hot hero slips.
Oh well.
Sorry, we tried.
It's always nice.
All right, it's time to call out our friend Garbanzo. Are you ready? Let me see Garbanzo.
What's that you say?
I said, let me see Garbanzo.
What's that you say?
I said, ooh, 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 ooh. One more time now, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. Cupcakes? You have cupcakes and a cake, a whole cake in there? Oh, thanks. You have anything else in that bag? Some cookies. Oh, cookies. All right. Well, I know something we could do with cookies.
Me too.
Yeah, I think it's time to have a minute to win it contest. with the staff. Yeah. So do you want to hand the cookies out to them? Okay, why don't you hand out the cookies? Garbanzo, they're up here.
All right, Hamilton Hawks, here we are. We're ready for a minute to win it. We have competing tonight. We have Mrs. McCoy, we have Mr. Cobb, Mrs. Wynn, and we have Mrs. Johnson. Their goal today is to take 3 cookies. They are going to eat them without using their hands. Wait. You are going to place it on your forehead, and then you are going to attempt to get it into the mouth. First person to eat all 3 cookies will be declared our winner. Are you ready? Getting a thumbs up. There we go. We are starting in 3. We are starting in 2. We are starting in 1, and go! All right, Mr. Cobb, first attempt. Not low and good. Mrs. McCoy, excellent strategy. Oh, Mrs. Wynn, slow and steady. Mrs. Johnson, here we go. Oh, so close. Oh, another one down. Come on, guys. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. All right, I'm checking my clock. We are getting close. Here we go. Come on. We are down to 10 seconds. And here we go. Countdown with me, everybody. 10, 9. Come on, guys. 8, 7, 6. Another one down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know, Mr. Cobb. Was that before the whistle? Judges? It was before the whistle. Nice work. So close.
That was a great minute to win it, don't you? Our staff sure are talented. Boy, they could get that cookie right into their mouth without using their hands. That was great. I'm glad that you brought cookies along because, we really needed those. So I'm going to take those home with me now because you don't need them here at school. So I'll take them because I think my family would. Come on, give me the cookies back.
Okay, well, I guess that brings us to the end of our April Assembly. Thanks for watching, and it's time to look to your, okay, bye.
Everything is awesome.